Welcome sa inyong lahat dito sa aming channel. Huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe para lagi kang notified. Kami si Justin and si Chris at ito ang aming Simple Life. Nood at comment down below. Please share and like this video.
On YouTube.
I'm still craving a little.
Do you notice something different, guys? Yes! Here are the frames that I got sa Robinsons Manila. Actually, wala pang picture ito at saka yun. I want to get rid of the Eiffel Tower because that's not the theme of my house. My house, I want my house to look like industrial chic with a touch of bohemian. Parang ganun yung gusto kong mangyari. Anyway, if I look disgusting right now, it's because I did a little workout. Nagsayaw ako ng 6 na fitness martial. Since our apartment is quite small, kailangan i-utilize talaga yung mga space na natitira. And I'm gonna show you what our dining, study area, and office area looks like. Yan na yun, actually. See? So, I want to redecorate this area. Probably I should get some shelf right here. So, printer. So, yan, plastic drawer lang. So I want to fix this area right here, put a bit more decoration there. Nga pala guys, I want to share with you this really cool stapler. Diba? Ang ganda. I think I saw Desi Perkins na meron nito sa office niya. Meron din ako nito. Ang cute-cute, diba? So dito ko ilalagay yung online store kung saan to nanggaling. So you guys can get hold of them. Having pineapple for breakfast. And doing the laundry at the same time. Hi guys! Look! It's Jasmine, right?
Yasmin.
Yasmin. Sorry. Invite them. Ano yung channel daw?
So my channel is Miss Yasmin.
Go subscribe to her, guys. She's so beautiful. Di ba ang ganda skin nyo? Ayan, natin ako. Ayan. It's nice to meet you. Hello guys. So, ayan. Hindi namin alam kung saan kami pwedeng mag-shoot. Ay, baka pwede dun sa ano ba yun? Sa siso. Para mabasa kami. O wala talaga. Ano ba? Ay, oo, swing pala. Swing. Ayan guys. Tingnan natin kung okay ba yung location. Kasi hindi ko mawari. Maingay. Okay. Ayan. We're testing the area out and I'm not sure if this is gonna be a good spot, but we're hoping na sana okay na to. Okay ba itong background? Dalawa kami dito. Baka dapat na dito. Yes! Ay, oo nga! Perfect! Oh. Oh, yung ganda ng point mo na yun. Sana naging point na. Teka, ano ba? Pwede tayo doon. Kaso, dapat sa kanila kami.
Akala ko suot ko dito yun.
Ha? Habang wala pa? Oh, sige. Tara. Let's go! Ready? We're filming. Alright. Hi! Ayan. So, this is my box. This one is specifically made for women. And I still don't know what's inside. So, hello guys. I'm so busy right now. Kasi dami kong kailangan tapusin ngayong araw na to. Pero for some reason, yung mga gusto kong mangyari hindi magkatotoo. Kanina, we attempted to film sana. Pero it's not a conducive spot for filming and for an unboxing video. So, ngayon, tayo ko na lang matapos kumain si Jasmine. Maybe I'll just i-take out ko na lang siguro yung in-order ko dun sa kabila. Tapos uwi na lang ako. So, I think mas maganda sa bahay na lang namin ito gawin. Ay, kakainis. So, to end the night, ayan, nagliligpit ako ng mga makeup dito sa aking drawer kasi kagagaling ko lang sa makeup gig. Thank you so much guys for watching this vlog and I'll see you on the next one.